Hello everyone, my name is Meena. I stay in Delhi in India. I am a chronic patient of gastritis and I have these episodes every now and then, due to which I have to be admitted in the hospital and my stay lasts 5 to 7 days each time I land up there. Recently I was introduced to this Modere probiotic support and I started taking it. In 2 days, only 2 days, it made a lot of difference in my gut health. I was, before starting this support, I was thinking I'll have to go to the hospital. I was in such a bad state. I was thinking I'll have to go to the hospital, but I was so scared due to pandemic and virus and everything. But when I started taking it in 2 days time, I was almost absolutely normal. And I was so happy. This was so effective. It comes in sachet in powder form and you can take it without any water. You just put it in your mouth with food once a day. So it is easy to take and it gives you the best probiotic support. I have tried pre-probiotic from all over the world. Every time I travel to some country, what I used to look for was the probiotic support. Prebiotic support, that is what I was looking for, because I always used to have this gut related problems. But since the time I've started taking this Modere probiotic support, it is given me magical relief. It has done magic to my gut health. Another product that I have tried is Trim. I have tried it for almost a month now, and I have weight issues also, and my weight issues are related to hormonal problems, not related to food. So I have tried several products for my weight reduction also, but nothing had worked. To be very honest, I have tried everything. Whosoever somebody said, I've tried gym also, everything. Like by gymming, my weight would come down a bit, but then after a while, when I leave gym, it comes back. So I tried this Trim this time, a little less than a month, and just day before yesterday I went to my tailor due to some alteration in a dress which I had to wear for a function and it was loose, and my tailor noticed that I had reduced 2.5 to 3 inches all over. I was so thrilled, like my inches had gone down. I have lost inches. How was that possible? Then I thought, let me get onto the scale, which I had not done for a very long time, because my weight just doesn't go down at all, whatever I may do. I got onto the scale and I realized I have